Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Let's talk about this beautiful garden of mine. I look at it every single day, but today's video is a little bit different. I got my tooth pulled. Your girl is over here looking crazy, okay? So I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking with 𝐊𝐿 because it's important to cook with your kids. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, �KYM. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. Please do not be a stranger. Leave a comment so that I can say hello. This photo is right after the dentist. The Bible says, train up a child in the way that they should go, and when they are old, they will not depart from it. Time to cook, and guess who's in the kitchen with me? Show your face, sugar. We're gonna make a skillet meal. Don't look at my counter. I just literally walked in the door and I know it looks crazy, but we're gonna make a meal. A skillet. Is that called a skillet meal? Like an oven? Let me turn the light on. Like an oven skillet? I don't know, but just watch, okay? Just watch. 𝐊𝐿 is getting the seasonings out. It looks really dark over here because I didn't turn on the lights underneath the cabinet. The Lawry's, girl, you gotta always use Lawry's, okay? If you could get me a large freezer bag, that would be great. That way we can season everything up in the bag. Let's put the potatoes. Here, bring the bag over here, and we're gonna put the potatoes in the bag.
It's like an upgrade of business. Mess me up and I miss it. We keep dancing with the devil, but he's never gonna let go.
You're doing a great job. The perfect size, right? Bite size. Onion powder, garlic powder. Lawry's in the house, as always, with more bounce to the ounce sugar. If you do not have some of this right here, you are not living life the way that you should be, okay? It's the last ingredient that we are gonna put in here. It does smell good, it tastes good. All right, that's good. Close the bag, and then you're gonna like shake it off. Remember that song by Mariah Carey? I gotta shake it off. The loving ain't. That's Mariah Carey.
No, it's shake it off.
No, I ain't talking about no Taylor Swift. Girl, bye. I'm talking about Mariah Carey. You know I don't like no Taylor Swift.
Saw your name on my phone.
I'm gonna be making these blueberry muffins.
These are the blueberry muffins that 𝐊𝐿 is making. She loves to bake. 𝐊𝐿 is going to butter the muffin pan, and just like that, with my YouTube magic, it's buttered. So I showed you guys in a previous clip that I got my tooth pulled. It has now been 2 days. There's still a little bit of swelling. However, I just got something in the mail that's gonna make life so great for me. These are some beautiful sunglasses. It comes packaged quite nicely in bubble wrap. That way the glasses will not break off. So I'm gonna try these on and see what they look like. Oh, okay. And they got their own case. And they also put it in, okay. Listen, y'all doing the thing, okay? Let's try these on. I look like I'm in like a 3D movie or something. Like I'm gonna watch E.T. in 3D. If you know who E.T. is, leave a comment down below. Here's the second set of glasses. They also come with a cleaner. Let me show you. You know those cloths that clean so well? I don't know the name of the cloths, but they have e-cloths like this as well. And these are basically for glass. You know, it takes off the smudges, it cleans it. You don't have to get it wet or anything. You just wipe it off. And these are extremely soft as well. So they come with each pair of glasses. Here is the second pair. Okay, don't even, if you see me in public, don't address me, okay? Because this is I think I'm cute. Do not address your girl when you see me in public, because I'm gonna be acting brand new in my brand new sunglasses. Don't be addressing 𝐊𝐿 when y'all see her in public either, okay? Because homegirl is looking.
My turn.
Oh, I cracked myself up. If y'all ain't laughing, then you really just don't have a sense of humor. But anyway, I just like to have fun. The glasses are really nice. They are really inexpensive as well. So I'm gonna leave you a coupon code in the description box below. And I'm also gonna leave you the name. I don't wanna mispronounce the name.
I'm thinking about our moment.
𝐿𝐿?
𝐿𝐿,
maybe? 𝐿𝐿? I don't know. But first of all, they're amazing people to work with. And also the glasses are really cute. So when you do see me,
I'm keeping these.
first of all, picture me rolling like Tupac said, we riding dirty. That's right. Better catch me riding dirty. Hey.
Rip me out the plastic, I'll be acting brand new.
I know that's right. These glasses come in really nice sacks. You have your own cleaning cloth for both pairs of glasses.
You know what's up? Your favorite leather.
All right, let's check the food, party people. Let's check the food. The food is not done just yet and your girl is hangry. But this box over here, my car broke down. So my car is a 2010 and it really needs some work done. It's needed work done, but I typically try not to ever leave the house. So now I've been leaving obviously more often and the car broke down. So I have some of the parts that came in. Back there is where I'm looking. And then also I have more parts that are coming in next week and then I'll be able to get the car fixed. Unlike myself, Karia doesn't really care about butter, but I got to butter mine up like from the rooter to the tutor. This is what we are working with, Karia's masterpiece of a meal. I think she did very well for her first time ever making a full course meal. Plus she made muffins. Why don't you like to cook?
It takes too much time.
Takes too much time, but then you get something really good out of it. And it's better than McDonald's or Wendy's or Arby's or Taco Bell, you know. All right, how is your food, lady?
It's good.
It's good? I'm glad.
The sausage is the best.
The sausages?
The potatoes they're good, but the sausage is the best.
Day 2 of me showing you a 30-minute meal. Yesterday was like a 40-minute meal. Today is gonna be a 30-minute meal. But I have to tell y'all something. If you like Charlie Wilson, leave a comment down below. My 12-year-old loves Charlie Wilson. Stop everything you're doing right now and focus. If you do not like to have fun, this is the wrong channel for you to be on, okay? For real though, it's time to cook.
Shut the lights, go infrared.
Check out the ingredients that I'm using. The footage that I had of me showing you all of the ingredients, don't know where it is. Obviously I didn't hit record, so it's more of like a Mediterranean style type of food dish with the Mediterranean ingredients. And let me tell you something, these are going to be samosas that are absolutely amazing. So you have your normal cumin, turmeric, garlic, onion powder, your other spices as far as like the Mediterranean spices. I put some peas in there. Didn't feel like making the potatoes, but oh my gosh, they're so good. You also want to use some flour just to kind of make a roux. So I'm not really sure if you guys know this or not, but it's best to make your food with a wooden spoon rather than a metal spoon because the metal somehow sucks some of the flavor out. You want all that good flavor in your food, okay? Because if you don't, people are gonna be like, ooh, that girl can't cook. I've never heard anyone say that about me, but I'm saying you, okay? This must cool down all the way before you place it on your dough. I realize that it's probably too late to make homemade dough. But I have some biscuits in the refrigerator that I'm going to make. So I was like procrastinating a little bit, so I kind of lost track of time. But I do have some biscuits in the refrigerator that I can make instead of the homemade dough. But what I was going to tell you is you gotta have an old pan. I'm talking about 1982 because it has a little bit of rust on it. That's the type of pan that you need for this recipe. Make sure you butter your pan.
Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing.
Mental health check-in. How are you doing? How are you feeling? Have you noticed that you had any triggers or anything like that that went on last week? I noticed a few myself, and then I was like, you know what? I got to work on that because when I'm triggered, it has nothing to do with what Billy Bob or Sally Mae said to me. It has everything to do with me. It really is all a part of healing, and healing isn't always comfortable. Healing stretches you and puts you out of your comfort zone, but that's what it's supposed to do. That way you can move forward. What's really important is you knowing your worth. So be sure that you're looking in the mirror and saying your affirmations. I don't care how corny you feel or whatever, just say the affirmations. It will help you just be a better person in general. Be sure to be gentle with the dough, respect the dough. It's thin. Also, you don't want to cut too hard anyway because you do not want to ruin those beautiful countertops. So basically you fold it over to whatever shape you want. I'm not worried about a shape. I'm just gonna make sure it's sealed and move on to the next. Don't be coming for me about my butter addiction. You gotta remember this is biscuit dough and it's very, very, very dry.
I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly.
Let me know if you cook and clean at the same time. It is just so much easier. And plus, when you leave crud and food on your dishes for a long period of time, it takes a lot of muscle to get it out. So Kim likes to work smart and not hard, okay? How you like that cleaning hack?
Neon lights will be glowing every night in the city, always the same. Keeping up, playing dead, at least that's what you said. Camera lights, that's the game. So girl, give me a lesson too.
Oh yeah, baby. Now we are gonna top it off with this. If you don't know anything about this, I'm gonna need for y'all to get on board, okay? This stuff is the bomb. It's filled with love. No, there's no onions. It's filled with love though. Look at all that. Oh! Thank you so much for being here. I hope you learned something and let me know if you try any of these recipes. Be sure to check out the description box so you can get on the website to check out some glasses. Embarrassing. Don't address us, okay? Do not address us. Who remembers this song? Object of My Desire. Okay, you too. Don't be trying to copyright your girl.
I like the style, like the shorts and the shirt, like how it matches, and yeah.
Jay does a really good job coordinating people's outfit. Has he ever made a whole outfit for you?
No.
Yeah, make sure he does, because no, seriously, he does a really good job. Like, you'll give him a color and he'll give you a whole color scheme, and then you know, you just love it. So make sure you hit him up. What is your favorite Brody piece?
I think I like the one that says just big Brodies. It's really big.
Now, did you ever see the shorts, the sports shorts?
Yeah.
That's like my favorite. I still have to get.
I like the two-piece, yeah.
Yeah. So I definitely have to invest in those shorts. But I appreciate you coming out. And let me talk about you real quick.
It's a radio station.
Now, is mine only something that you want to do?
We have a satellite radio station and 106.7 as well.
Okay. Definitely. So we encourage you to do that. Always keep your dream in front of you, and don't let nobody tell you any different, okay? Thank you for joining us on the red carpet. Y'all make some noise for